Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Do you ever think about the endless opportunities that you have available to you in your life? Not only do you need to be aware of these opportunities, but if it's truly something that you want in your life, you need to make sure that you're taking action. There's an abundance of opportunities in life. Ready to start being more aware of the opportunities that you have available to you? Let's dive in. Think about some of the opportunities that you've had in your life. How many of them did you create on your own? How many of them were available because of what someone else did? What about all of the opportunities that you've created for other people? It's so amazing to see all of the opportunities around us. But the question I'd like you to ask is if you normally wait for an opportunity to be presented to you, or if you like to search for and create opportunities that originally may not have been available to you. Take a few minutes to reflect back on a few opportunities that you've experienced in your life. Were they mostly opportunities that were presented to you? Or did you take action to create these opportunities for yourself? What do you find as the majority in your life? I think it's important to realize how you're living your life. Next, I want you to think about any opportunities that you may have had in your life that you didn't take action on. Are they opportunities that you wish you would have had a different outcome? What was the reason that you didn't take action on them? Many of my clients will say that they didn't want to take the risk, they didn't believe in themselves enough to take a chance, or they were afraid of failing. Now, let's take a look at your life right now, in this moment. What are some of the opportunities that you have? Let's look really deep and see what kinds of opportunities you can create for yourself. If you'd like to continue listening to the rest of this podcast, I invite you to sign up for my free private podcast, where I do a deeper dive into this topic on the Mastering Your Mindset Moments podcast for high-stress professionals. When you're busy working in a high-stress profession, it's often hard to accomplish what you truly want in your life. This private podcast offers solutions that you can immediately apply to your life so that you can not only achieve your goals, but increase your sense of purpose, satisfaction, and lead a more fulfilling and enjoyable life. You can sign up at financialadventure.com/private to hear about the solutions that I provide on this topic. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.